I honestly do think that they are the most popular powder washes in Japan. Recently had Pokemon. I think the one that is currently running is Sanrio. I have been using them for apparently 6 years now. Minasan konnichiwa, this is Tina and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be explaining the differences between the Susai Beauty powder washes. If that sounds like your thing, then please go ahead and channel登録 shichatte kudasai. So if you've been around on this channel for a while, you've probably heard me talk about it, and if you've been to Japan, you probably saw these little capsules at every donkey, drugstore or beauty store you went to. Yes, I am talking about the Susai Beauty powder washes. I honestly do think that they are the most popular powder washes in Japan, and recently they actually have added 2 new variances to their permanent line, making their product range a total of 5. So as your JBeauty guide, I'm here to explain the differences, what each one targets, and which one might be best for your skin type. So what exactly is the Susai powder wash? If you're like me and already a powder wash fan, then you will know exactly what it is already, but in case you are new to the concept, they are essentially cleansers in the form of a powder. Duh. But usually, in addition to some cleansing ingredients, it also contains exfoliating ingredients. So it is kind of that sweet spot between a physical and chemical exfoliant, making it gentle yet something that is going to help a little bit more in removing buildup from pores, as well as making your skin feel smoother. I have been using them for apparently 6 years now after looking back through my channel, and I have pretty consistently been mentioning it through my videos too. I especially love taking them with me whenever I travel because they are small and compact. You can take exactly how many you need for how many days you're gone. Plus, they are a cleanser and exfoliant in one, so you can go without your exfoliating products, and you don't really want to be using harsh exfoliants while you're on vacay anyways. They absolutely have a cult following in Japan and have won a total of 32 awards between the 5 different types. Yes, even the newest 2 have won awards already too. And apparently the initial version came out in 1967. They were these little like tablet looking capsules that had the powder wash in them. So yeah, they've been around for a really, really long time. And my guess is they're going to be sticking around for just as long or longer. So how to use these washes? Honestly, it's pretty straightforward. You would use it like you would a regular cleanser. The cleanser is obviously in this little capsule and you just pour it out on the palm of your hand, add water a bit by bit and just foam it up like you would a regular cleanser. They are gentle enough to use every single day, especially if you do not have sensitive or extremely dry skin. You'll be right, but do keep in mind that they do still contain some exfoliating ingredients. Before we get into each individual product, I do want to talk about the common features that are shared across all 5, so I don't have to keep repeating myself. First, the common ingredients across all 5 products. You do have 5 surfactants that are used for cleansing, talc for the powder form, silk for texture, and then hyaluronic acid for hydration. Lastly, we do have 2 enzymes, protease and lipase, which are those exfoliating ingredients that I was talking about earlier. All 5 products do include this core formula and then have the addition of some other key ingredients depending on which type. All of them do also have a very, very similar texture and foaming ability, so I'm not going to break that down per product either. They essentially do feel the same in the process of foaming up and actually like using it on your face. All of them come in 2 package sizes. You've got the standard 32 piece in this kind of plastic container, and they do also release a 15-piece trial size, which I think is really nice. Although I have seen some huge, like 60-something piece containers in Donkey occasionally as well. I do think they're like a limited run, so you can't find them everywhere. Now let's get into each individual one, starting off with, of course, the original version, Beauty Clear Powder Wash N. This one is considered to be best for all skin types, and the main focus is cleansing your pores and giving your skin a smoother feel. It is definitely the baseline, simplest formula. The only kind of unique additional ingredient is lactic acid. So it does actually have one more exfoliating ingredient compared to most of the others. And yeah, straightforward, cleansing, the one that's been around the longest, obviously. Next is the Beauty Clear Black Powder Wash. This one is considered best for oily skin, and the main focus is for a deeper cleanse of the pores, and again, giving that smooth skin feeling. On top of all the other ingredients, it does also contain clay and charcoal, which are known to be oil absorbers as well as kind of drawing out impurities. Even though it is supposed to be kind of like a deeper cleanse, I must say the finish after cleansing, it doesn't feel much different to the original. So it's not like extremely drying or anything, which is definitely nice. It does seem to help a little bit more in the buildup of like blackheads and stuff. Followed by the Beauty Clear Gold Powder Wash. This is like possibly my favorite packaging ever. The gold one is definitely the one that I have used the most and continue to repurchase. This one is considered best for, you guessed it, dry skin, and the main focus is to replenish that moisture while also providing that deep cleanse. The additional key ingredients are sunflower seed, avocado oil, and squalane, which are going to help nourish and provide barrier support. Obviously, my favorite because I do have quite a dry skin and I do feel like it gives just that little bit of extra moisture. Honestly, it's not like a drastic difference. It's definitely subtle, but I like to think that I'm giving my skin, you know, more moisture by using this one. And from here we have the two new ones, which is really exciting. The Beauty Clear Green Powder Wash. This one is considered best for acne prone skin and the main focus is to soothe and prevent breakouts. We do have a couple additional ingredients in this one. It does use cellulose and cornstarch to help with mattifying the skin as well as absorbing some more of that oil. Seek it to soothe and calm the skin. And then lastly, it uses licorice root extract as well as hatomugi to help with preventing breakouts. Now in Western skincare, they don't really use those ingredients for much more than soothing because they're not really like potent acne fighting ingredients, but in Japan, they are often used as a super duper gentle alternative. This one does have a bit more of a fresh finish, not really drying, but it definitely feels kind of fresher on the skin. And I do like the idea of it keeping breakouts in mind. And the final one is the Beauty Clear Pink Powder Wash. This one is considered best for combo skin and the main focus is to balance out those water and oil levels in the skin. The additional key ingredients include some fruit extracts, peach, pomegranate, and raspberry, most likely for its hydration and antioxidant benefits, and then also jojoba oil to moisturize. So again, using ingredients that are going to help balance out that combination skin. I do feel like it is kind of best of both worlds and it might be my second favorite after the gold one. Also, it is a super fun pink color. I must say all of the washes, the actual color of the powder does coincide with like each color, which I love, but obviously it does have some colorants in it. All right, let's do a quick recap. The original white one is good for all skin types or normal skin. The black is best for oily skin, gold for dry skin, green for acne prone skin, and then lastly pink for combo skin. I actually think they did a really good job with clearly differentiating and stating which one is best for which skin type or concern. Obviously, it doesn't mean you can only use that one if you've got that skin type. I mean, I'm going to be using all of them, obviously. It does help you kind of pick and choose depending on maybe your skin state at the time too. Well, hopefully I helped you guys in deciphering yet another J Beauty product line instead of using janky Google Translate. I mean, they even had this like map on the official site to help you decide which one's best for you, but it was a whole freaking mess. So I hope that I was a little bit more helpful than that. Oh, also another thing to look out for with these Suisai powder washes is their limited edition runs. Yes, I'm all for it. You guys know I love my limited edition releases when it comes to J Beauty. They often do like packaging collabs. Obviously this one is Disney. We've got Tinkerbell on there. We've recently had Pokemon. I think the one that is currently running is Sanrio. Always fun to have a little like, you know, cute little design on it. And they do also even do limited edition scents. I have tried the matcha tea latte. I do also have the sakura one. I feel like I've come by Kimmokse before. They've even had Lamune, but I feel like it's a really fun way to also have souvenirs from that season or the time you spent in Japan. So yeah, definitely look out for those limited edition ones when they come out because obviously every time they come out, I buy them too and yeah, they're just a little fun. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this guide on the Susai Beauty Clear powder washes. Please leave your requests for any other kind of J Beauty product lines or brands that you are curious about and you just want a little bit more information than what you can find online. I have been slowly trying to build a catalog of these type of videos because J Beauty is just one of those categories that are not talked about as much in English compared to K Beauty, and I want to be that helping hand for you. The only thing is the beauty industry is so fast moving these days that you've got new formulas, new product launches, discontinued lines like every other month it feels like. So I try my best, but unfortunately these videos do get outdated quickly. But anyways, leave those requests in a comment below for me to check out. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you check out another one of these because it does help me out. And I do personally select these videos that are on the screen right now, hoping that it is something that you'll also be interested in. So yeah, make sure you watch one of those and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye! Mwah!